Hello guys, this time we are going to replace lower control arm bushings that you can find inside this part and also upper arm bushings that you can find inside this part. So let's start doing and see how it goes. When you have released the bolts, you can see it was over there, but this control arm won't come off unless you take your ball joint off, so you need to take it off. When you have taken off the control arm, you will see this kind of caps that you need to remove, and after that you can take these bushings away from the hole. And you will also have this axle inside this hole, and you can take it away. Take those bushings away with these kind of pliers that are used. The part number for new bushings is this one. These are very cheap, so it's worth to change them in every place. You need to clean all the places with the brake cleaner or similar, and here you can see all the parts cleaned, and these are the new bushings that will go into the control arm. And you will have to use some grease to install those parts back. Also remember to clean this hole on both sides before fitting the new ones. So new parts are in, and all you have to do is put the control arm back where it should be. So lower control arm is now back there where it belongs. And I started to work with the upper control arm. You will have to take the shock bolt away so that you can release the upper control arm. Then it's easy to change those bushings. So upper arm parts are over here. Need to clean them and put some new bushings, and then it's good. Okay, now the upper arm is back where it belongs. Don't forget to press some new grease from the grease nipple before and after you have attached new bushings. Also, I noticed that you get much more space to work with if you remove this brake hose bracket before changing the bushings on upper arm. Okay, one more thing. You must tighten these bolts only after when the ATV is on its wheels. And after that, press so much grease through the nipple so that you get grease coming out of here. Then there's enough grease.